everyone, it's Charlotte over at TVR Software, and today we're going to talk about getting the numbers for the GPRA measurements. So I'm going to go ahead and of course this calculating tool that we have can be used for anyone, but this video is about if you have the TVR software. So the first thing we need to do is gather the reports that we're going to need. We're going to need 2 reports, and then we're going to also need this IPE developed prior fiscal year, which is everyone that was before the fiscal year that we are in. Okay, so we go to reports, we're going to go to summary, and we're going to pull 2 reports. We're going to pull the operations report and the annual report. They're both here, operations and annual. I'm just going to do the operations. We're going to do it for the fiscal year we want, 2024. Execute. Take some time to run this report because it's gathering a lot of great information. But you will do this also with the annual report. So what I'm showing you here with the operations report, when we get into it, I'm going to show you how to save it as a PDF so it's nice and easy for you to get, and then you'll also want to do that with the annual report. So we'll just give it a second here. It's pulling all the information. It's going through all of 2024, and it is pulling all the information about each of the users, or each of the participants, excuse me. And there we go. And as soon as it pops open, we will just simply print to PDF. So Microsoft Office now has the ability to print to PDF. We all should have it because we all have to have a Microsoft Office product here. All right, so here is the operations report. Here's the stuff we need. I'm just going to do menu, go to print, and I'm going to do print right up here, and I'm going to say Microsoft print to PDF. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and save it at my desktop. I'm going to call it Operation 2024. And I'm going to save it. All right, it's saved. So menu, quit. I would do the same thing with annual report, annual, summary. Pick the annual AIVRS report, pick the fiscal year 2024, and then let it run, and then also save it as a PDF. Once you save it as a PDF, you can go into your Adobe file, and you can pick, let me just do it for you. We're going to close all tabs. Let me go ahead and just grab my Adobe so you can see what I'm talking about. I think I can put it over here. Okay, let's see. Let me grab my Adobe file, double click it. I can do it by, here's some ones that I've saved. Let's go ahead and just, I'm gonna pick this one to open, and pick this one to open. And then let me go to the other one. Open recent file. See, I have the annual, so I just want the operations. There it is, operations. So now I have both annual and operations report. All right, I'm going to shrink that down. I'm going to go ahead and go back into here. Now I'm going to show you the actual calculator. So let me bring that calculator over. So you'll have a link to this. Either you can do the barcode or you can link to it, but we're going to try now. And you just enter in your information, your tribal affiliation, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start filling stuff out. So enter the number of successful employees, and we can find this on the AIVRS Annual Report Section 5, Line 2. I'm going to open up my Adobe. Here we go. And we are looking at, what was the question? Section 5, line 2, and it's number actually achieved employment outcome. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom. Here's section 5. Here is number actually achieved employment outcome. We have 24. Let me put that in there. 2024. And it said how many were not successful. And it says I'm going to get that in the operations report, section 2. So let me go in here. Let me go to operations. There we go. We're at the bottom section, number 4, section 28, not successful. We have 3. Let's go ahead and put that in the calculator. Oh, excuse me. 3. And it gives us our percentage. So the percentage of exiting with employment outcome is 89. Very nice. It says enter the number of total served and the IPE. So again, that's back on the annual report, section 3. Go over here, go to annual report, section 3. And it is actual number served under IPE. We have 47. So let's go ahead and put 47 in here. And that tells us that our percentage of successful employed is 51%. It automatically grabs the calculation and gives you a percentage of non-successful employees, which is 6%. And then enter the number of remaining, and that's that number that we need the software just open for. This is IPEs developed prior fiscal years. We have 20 people coming in from last fiscal year, which is fiscal year 2024. We'll put that number in there, 20. And it gives us a percentage of 43. Next, it wants to know, and you'll get this from your grant, how much money you were given. We're going to say $500,000. It's going to say the average cost per employment outcome is 20 grand. Right here it says if the result is above 35,000, then efficiency measures are exceeded. Next. And it says the second answer is the average annual cost of service per participant. So we maybe have to have more participants, but we're showing that if the result is above $10,000 and efficiency measures is exceeded, it's barely exceeding it. So, you know, y'all are the experts here. I'm going to go ahead and push submit. Thank you so much. You can download the response. And you can just close this. And here is your paper copy of it. And you can save it, put it right next to the annual report, operations report. And here is your GPRA report. And that's all there is to it, believe it or not. So let me just shrink this and shrink this. And this will be available on the new software. And this will also be available on the next update that we do, that the GPRA would be in here. But the beauty of this report, this report is it's for everyone. So everyone can use this, no matter if you're using this software or not. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope you have a great day. And of course, if you have any questions, you can email me at support@tvrsoftware.com. Or if you want to do a one-on-one, I'm always up for that. You have a great day. Bye.